Hey, welcome and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be making spaghetti, and we've got some, it's just going to be a quick, fast, simple spaghetti. Okay, we've got some green peppers here, so I'm going to put those in. And I've also got some onions, and we're just going to finish cutting these. And I just wanted to make a fast and simple spaghetti. And what I'm going to start with is sauteing the onions and green peppers. Also, I have some garlic. Some garlic, and I crushed that in just one large garlic clove. Okay, and we have some meat. We have 1 pound of ground meat. And what I'm going to try and make is a meat gravy, and a lot of people also know it as Bolognese. So, and it's basically just letting the meat cook in the spaghetti sauce and whatever vegetables and spices you choose. And it's just letting it cook there until it gets very tender. And it breaks down in the sauce and it creates more of like a gravy, like a meat gravy. Okay, so this is a great recipe for pasta if you're looking for a recipe. It's also, if you're looking for anything, things that you can make, or recipes that you can make with ground meat, easy ground meat recipes, simple. Alright, so we're going to let this meat cook in here. Then we're going to drain it. If it lets out some oil, we're going to drain that oil. We'll also boil some pasta. And I think what I have is linguine. I don't have the regular spaghetti pasta because I really don't like it. I would prefer a flatter noodle like a linguine or a fettuccine when I'm making my spaghetti. So, okay. Alright, so I'm also going to add in here some oregano. Okay, we've got some oregano here. Okay, that's about a half a teaspoon maybe, or 1/3 of a teaspoon. We're going to add some paprika just for the color. Okay, we're going to add some powdered onion. Okay, and I like to add my poultry seasoning. Even though it's spaghetti, I like the flavor that you get from the added poultry seasoning. And I also like to use my rotisserie seasoning because I also like the flavor that it gives the pasta. Now, you don't have to add any of these. You add what you like. You know, you have basil, whatever it is that you like to add into your ground meat when you're going to make pasta. Okay, that's what you're going to use if you enjoy it the way that you like. Okay, so we're going to let this cook for a little bit. We're going to let it brown. After it browns, we're going to drain it, and then we're going to add the pasta sauce. Okay, so our meat is already brown, so we're going to drain it. Okay, let's see how much oil is in there. It's not really that much. Alrighty. Oops. Okay, so now we're going to add our sauce, and just to make it simple, you don't have to make your own sauce. This is a quick spaghetti recipe. You're going to use the brand of sauce that you like, spaghetti sauce, doesn't matter what brand you use. I'm using Francesco Rinaldi. And I don't like a lot of sauce in here because I'm going to be adding water. Now you can add chicken broth or beef broth, you know, for more flavor, but I'm going to be adding water to mine. So I'm going to add about 3/4 of a jar. This jar. This is a 24-ounce jar. Okay, and then we're going to allow this to just stay simmering for a while. And then we're going to add this is about, let's see, this is about maybe 6 ounces of water. Okay, this is just so that it doesn't dry out, and it's got enough liquid in here so it can simmer for a while. So we're going to just let this simmer for about 20 minutes to half an hour, just so they can break down a little bit more and create a gravy, the gravy that we want for our pasta. Okay. Guys, I almost forgot to press the recording button, but our meat gravy, as you can see, okay, is done. And I had already put some pasta in there. Thank God I remembered and I needed to record. Oh my goodness, I almost forgot to press that button. Okay, so here we are. Okay, and like I said before, this is a nice, quick, fast, simple family dinner. All you needed really to do is brown the meat, season it, boil pasta. And by the way, this is not linguine. I thought it was linguine. It's actually fettuccine. Okay, so you use whatever pasta you like. Alrighty, and I think I'm going to use, usually don't use all the pasta. It was a pound of fettuccine. I like to have more of the meat gravy than I do of the pasta. Okay, so let's see. Ooh, my hand is killing me already. Alright, let's see. Let's turn this around. I've got pasta all over the place here. Turn that off. Alrighty, we got a plate. Alrighty, let's see. Okay, and there's our spaghetti with meat sauce, ground meat. Okay, if you're looking for anything to do with any extra ground meat you have, and pasta, there you go. Guys, thanks for coming by. See you next time.